Now, what's the effect on the risk and reward? The lower you are in the capital stack in senior secured debt, the higher your payment priority is. You're the first person paid, right? And as senior secured, meaning you're the first position, you can take the asset if they don't pay you, right? The potential return is lowest on the bottom of the capital stack. Why? Because you're capped. There's really no upside per se in debt. You're just about downside protection there. Once the cash that comes in from the property, the first thing it has to do is fill up the debt cup. Once that debt cup is full, then it fills up a second position. Once that's full, then it waterfalls to the common equity. But the common equity can keep going, right? You can make a lot. You have a lot of upside. However, that also means that in recessions, the recession resilience of the common equity is lowest, and the recession resilience of the senior secured debt is highest. So the lower you are, the more protected you are in a recession. So your position on the capital stack definitely determines your risk. A lot of investors right now are choosing to invest in lower risk assets for capital preservation and not taking the higher gamble on higher common equity. An example of this is, say hypothetically, we had a $10 million property, right? For that, we're going to put $4 million down, and we're going to get a loan for $6 million, right? That capitalizes, right? We have $6 million in debt investments. We have $4 million in equity investments. That capitalizes the purchase of the property. What happens when the market fluctuates and reduces by 15%, right? Unfortunately, that drops the common equity from 4 million to now the equity they have in the deal is only 2.5. A 15% reduction in market valuation of the property. In fact, around the nation right now, we're seeing fluctuations, 10, 20, and 30%, right? But so 15% is right on par. So what happened to the common equity guys? They lost 37%. But what happened to the debt? They didn't lose anything. And so that is a quick example. And please ask questions. There's a lot of people out there sitting quietly spying on us, Dennis.